Morning, guys. November 28th, 2023. So we're gonna call from a guy. He's a couple of towns down from me. I guess he had some other company go, and he's got 4 boilers that services boilers. And the guy shut the gas valve off. Now he can't turn the gas valve back on. It's stuck. And he sent me some pictures of it. It's a Powerpile gas valve. And I do have one in the truck. The exact same gas valve. It's a couple of days to order the gas valve. And I guess he watched me on YouTube or something. But so here he is calling me in after he had another company go there. And gonna go over there, and I do have a gas valve. I could replace it if I have to. He can't, the guy turned it to off or to pilot, and now he can't turn it back to on. And supposedly it's stuck, the valve. So I might try put some pliers on it, see if I can get it to move. If not, I got another replacement valve for it. Right there. So we're off, Molly. It's not a damsel in distress. It's a guy. It's a guy in distress. Landlord. So can you imagine not having any heat for the rental property for 2 days? They'll be flipping out on him. So he's got to get it fixed. So guess I'm going over there to bail him out. It's a Powerpile generator valve. It's not a regular gas valve. And the gas control is different because it's a Powerpile. The control's different also. What happens is the Powerpile generator gets heated up by the pilot. That runs the gas valve, and it runs the control, and it's a special thermostat you need for it, and so you don't want to start trying to change different parts on it. You got to stick with what's there. Older Utica boilers, but anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. See if I can get it. See if I can fix it. If not, we'll replace it. Tell them the price of the gas valve, not cheap. So we'll see. We'll get it. See if we can get it going for the guy. Give him tenant some heat. Yeah, nice burners though.
Oh, cool.
So we can't get that thing to turn.
No, I tried it with my hand, and the other one in the back house also is stuck. So maybe that'll be another.
Well, let's see if we get this one going first.
Yeah, they're gonna be.
I got that same exact valve in the.
Really, the millivolt, whatever it is.
I got the same valve thing to move. I mean, what do you got to lose?
Right. Look at that, man.
Wow, she's definitely.
I couldn't do that with my hand.
Well, I can't do it with your hand, but I mean, I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, look at that.
Oh Jesus, if it works,
So we can get it to work, maybe.
Wow, this guy could have done that too.
Could have.
No shit.
Probably could have. We'll have to check it and see if it leaks, though. Because sometimes it'll, we don't want to make sure it's not leaking, right? Because I did put a lot of force on it.
Right.
I mean, if we can get it to...
Well, it's good that you have one anyway, because I have 3 others. If this one...
I got the same exact valve. 3/4 in, 3/4 out, which I thought was a little odd.
Is there gas going into it?
Well, it's 3/4. It's 3/4. You've got to put a bushing on that end.
So how did you just had it in your truck?
I had one in my truck. We'll see if it fires up now. I have to check that with soapy bubbles and see if it is. I got to check this and make sure it's not leaking, right? Because let me get some stuff and spray it.
So these things, this could last. I could just keep on maintaining.
Yeah, no, as long as it don't leak, we'll leave it alone. Let me get my stuff. Might have got lucky. Kind of overdue for these things that outlived their lifespan already, but they're still working, so leave them alone.
Yeah, these boilers, huh? It's not
They're
much.
old.
But they're only, I only got 2 million pounds right there.
As long as that don't bubble up, we're alright. This is a leak detector. So I think you might have got lucky.
Holy shit. That's awesome. I need a lucky day.
Well, I'm surprised the guy left you hanging.
He was supposed to call.
Did he call you?
No, I called you.
He hasn't called you
I
back.
called back. I said, should I call him? I gotta call him now.
What the fuck? Leaving you hanging.
I think they just want to sell it.
Huh?
I think they just wanted to sell it.
I don't know. Maybe. You want to buy a boiler?
I don't. No, I don't.
I gotta put a screw in here or something. I gotta get a screw for it. Oh, it is old. I'm not saying it's not. Look at the fuck.
I know it is, but
You can't say that this thing's...
I got 4 of these. I got 2 in this house, 2 in the back house, so.
All you have to do is pay me and then send them my bill. Who is it?
Yeah. In New Bedford Gas Service. It's the same company, I think.
Okay.
And they do the insurance, they clean it out.
I don't know what to tell you. I mean, I got it fixed for you. What else
So
can I
I'm pretty
say?
happy. That's a screen.
Yeah, they do a lot of work. Them guys are decent, you know.
I have another one in the back house that's stuck, but it's stuck in the open position. So maybe
Well, leave it alone.
Leave it alone, right?
I mean, why fuck with it?
That's right. So
You're gonna spend money on it, and
Unless
then
the
what might...
pilot-
The thermostat just shut off, so they must...
on this one
Did they
here-
shut it off?
Let me call it. No, let me see. She just got home, so let me give
Unless
her a
it's
call.
off on limit. No, it's not off on high limit.
So let me see. Let me give her a call.
Pilot storm.
Hey Kathleen, did you just shut your thermostat off?
What?
Did you just shut your thermostat off for the heat?
I didn't do anything. I just ran in there and I'm at the hospital. My
Oh.
boyfriend's really hurt.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
Why? What's the matter?
No, it was just the boiler went off. We just thought maybe if you turned it off.
No, I didn't touch anything.
Okay, so you're not even home.
I'm not even sure what it's on.
Okay, all right,
I
so.
think it's on like probably 68.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
All right, see you,
All right.
Kathleen. Bye. So she's had it on 68. I can't imagine that it's 68 already up there, can you?
Yeah, it's not calling.
So maybe it
Thermostat's
is.
not...
So maybe she's got it on like 70.
Well, it's not, because I just jumped it out when she fired, so the thermostat's not calling. Must be warm enough.
Yeah, it must be warm enough up there.
Because she shut off. I just want to make sure before I leave.
Oh, you said if it was calling, you have a problem. I see what you're saying. If it was calling for heat, would have a problem because it's not heating. All right, I got it. So this is
What is it?
man, this is a good day.
Well, I mean,
I can't believe that I called you and you're here.
you're lucky I had the valve.
I'm looking at
I
you
dug
answered the
through
phone.
my truck and I seen one. I said, oh shit, I got that. I got one there. Got lucky.
So you
Real
may be
lucky.
replacing that other one.
No, don't replace it unless you have to,
No,
because
no,
what's going to
listen,
happen, listen,
yeah.
you go and spend all kinds of money on the valve, and then the boiler lets go in the meantime, you wasted the money.
Right, right,
If
no,
you have to work on it and it don't work, we'll replace it then, because the boilers are old, they might not last.
Yeah.
So you might be throwing money away for nothing.
Right.
Don't do it.
No, I'm not. I mean, if there's a flood or something and the pilots go out and I can't shut the
Well, then that's different. Then you got to replace it. But I wouldn't replace it unless it's at that point where you have to because of the age of the stuff. Yeah, the stuff is old. You know, no one can argue that point.
Yeah.
But it's still working. We leave it alone.
Right. It could work another 5 years, 10 years.
Yeah. It's past its lifespan.
But they work.
You know, what you got to do is, when you bought this house, you know they were old,
Yeah.
and just get you as much time you can out of them. And
I
when
bought it in
when
97.
they die, well, then you realize, well, you got to replace it. So
And you replace these two?
yeah,
What are we looking at to replace them?
not cheap.
Alright.
I'd have to look and get the numbers.
Well, yeah.
You're not doing it now anyway, so then if you don't do it for 6 months, the prices change.
Yeah. I'm just happy that we got heat here. So I gotta figure out what to do with this other company.
Well, I just want to make sure I got no leaks here. You know, nothing's leaking.
I don't smell anything either.
Don't seem to be. You would smell it. Got lucky. He did shut it off, so I mean, that's why when he said he couldn't turn it on, I said the guy just shut it off. If it was frozen, it would have been frozen. He wouldn't have been able to turn it.
I see what you're saying.
So now that he turned it and he can't turn it back, that's a little iffy, you know?
Yeah.
If you can't move it at all, that's more of a realistic situation, right?
Problem, yeah.
I'm just gonna say relit pilot.
I'm glad you came.
No leak on
You're up
gas
in Dartmouth,
valve.
huh?
Huh?
You're in Dartmouth?
Yeah. Well, you imagine telling the tenant you ain't gonna have heat for 2 days?
Well, that would suck, yeah. I'd have to bring, like, heaters.
Yeah, that wouldn't have went over, go over like a fart in church.
Yeah.
That's what that would go over like a fart in church.
People want heat in the winter.
Well, yeah, she's old. She's
Oh, that's yours. Good, good.
yeah, old crusty.
I bought this house in '97. They were here already.
You can tell it's a Powerpile. See the little thing?
What's it called?
That's a J control. See, it's got the little thing on it. That's a J control. Them are big bucks too. Everything's big dollars now. The circulators are old.
They still work though.
Yeah. Like I said, I wouldn't spend a lot of money on them. As long as they're working, you're good.
So if something happens, I call you.